Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you PMP, Project Management Professional. The Project Management Professional, PMP, certification course covers a wide range of topics essential for effective project management. Project Management Professional Benefits. Becoming a project management professional, PMP, offers numerous benefits, both for individual career growth and for the organizations in which PMP-certified professionals work: global recognition, career advancement, enhanced project management skills, networking opportunities, increased marketability, improved project success rate, standardized processes, better risk management, higher quality deliverables, enhanced stakeholder communication, increased competitiveness, optimized resource utilization, adaptability, and agility. Project Management Professional Employment. A project management professional, PMP, certification opens doors to various employment opportunities across industries and sectors where project management is vital. Here are some avenues for PMP employment: information technology, IT, sector, construction and engineering, healthcare, finance and banking, consulting firms, manufacturing, project manager, program manager, portfolio manager, project coordinator. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.